My name is David Cawley. I'm the director of the model shops and the 3D labs here at Art Centre. The goal is to create design and then fulfill that design with prototypes and models. For product design, I mean, it runs the gamut of all different kinds of products. A lot of things that are going on right now are small, handheld electronics, cell phone development, all those kinds of things. And again, because of the fine detail, the fit and form of some of those models, the Objet machine does really a good job on those.
My name is Dr. Alon Wolf. I'm the director of the Biorobotics and Biomechanics lab here at the Technion. The scope of work of this lab is biomechanics and biorobotics as its name, and the idea is to combine studies of biomechanics of study of living creatures and trying to imitate them in bio-inspired robots. We need to take the design, we need to take and break it down to basic theories, fundamental theories, and then try to build a prototype to do a proof of concept, validate those theories. And this technology gives us the opportunity to actually go very quickly from design, theory into practice.
We have a trimester term, so students really got 14 weeks to produce, iterations and a finished model. With the 3D printing and with Objet machines, we can break that time down. We can do more iterations and really get to a final design a lot quicker. Where Objet really wins out for us, we have other 3D printing technologies, is really in the fine details and the kind of wall thicknesses and features that we can get with the Objet machine.
You can dream the night before and have the next day ready on your desk.
I know many people have said a picture's worth 1,000 words, an object is worth 1,000 pictures.